In this training video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import a Photoshop PSD file into Flexitive. We will cover why you would import a Photoshop PSD file into Flexitive, how to import a Photoshop PSD file into Flexitive, what happens after importing a PSD file, and animating and scaling your design sizes for omni-channel communications. Why import a Photoshop PSD file into Flexitive? While it is very fast to create new designs directly in Flexitive using high-resolution image assets, sometimes you already have access to a Photoshop PSD file of an existing design that either you or someone else has created. Flexitive allows you to import that Photoshop PSD file, making it easy to use existing Photoshop designs in Flexitive. How to import a Photoshop PSD file into Flexitive. First, I'm going to give my new design a title. I'm going to call this Adaptive Beam Quality Campaign. I'll click Create. And we're going to choose a blank canvas size in Flexitive that is a similar size to your PSD canvas. I'll choose a fixed size here, and then I'll type in the size of my PSD layout. You'll want to choose the largest size possible in your PSD to make sure that you have access to the highest resolution assets possible. For my file size, I'll be selecting the 1600 by 900. Now you can either import the PSD file by clicking Upload Local File, or you can drag and drop it onto the canvas. You'll notice that all of the Photoshop layers will be imported in the order that they were set on the PSD file. Any hidden layers will not be brought into Flexitive, so make sure to review your layers before importing the PSD file into Flexitive. All PSD image elements will be converted to PNGs in the Assets panel, and will be uploaded as the size they are on the canvas of the PSD you're importing. All text elements from the PSD will be converted to text boxes in Flexitive. If your text is using a custom font, make sure to upload any required custom fonts in Flexitive here. Now I'm going to apply some quick animations using both the preset and custom animations available in Flexitive. Once I'm happy with the design, I can do a quick preview of the animation, and then I can scale this out to include all of the sizes that I require for this campaign. I'll go into Create Sizes, and then select All. I can either type in the custom sizes I have here, or I can just click to select all of the sizes that I require. Now I can save my design, and I can share this design preview link for any feedback. Now, if this is a campaign that you want to create more variations from, for example, you want to A/B test different copy or imagery or run language variations, you can connect any of these design components just by selecting the element and toggling the dynamic design toggle from off to on. Once all of your elements are connected, you can generate all of your design variations, including the file naming, in seconds. For more information on creating automated variations, you can refer to the tutorial video, which will be linked in the description below. For this design, I'm only going to be exporting this one creative version. So I will publish my design, head over to the export panel, Select all of the sizes that I require from my ad server or DSP, choose that from the drop-down available here, and on export, Flexitive will provide the custom HTML5 code to upload and serve my design. I can also export to video MP4, animated GIF, static PNG or JPEG, or static PDF for any channel or platform required. If you do have clients who want to access or edit your design files, you can set up a shared design library for teams to access those designs and make direct edits as needed. You can see a few different examples of shared libraries here. If you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please contact support@flexitive.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.